Okay, it is day 59, and leaving Puente de Villarente and San Pedro Albergue, and heading to León. Got a hotel room there for a couple nights. Looking forward to getting some relaxation then, and getting prepared to do the last, what will it be, 15, 16 days? A little cloudy, a little overcast today, which will be different for me as far as moving into León. It's always been nice and bright and sunny, so looking forward to a good day. Met some good friends, some good new friends last night and the last couple of days. Gonna meet up again in León. So here we go, we're off.
Today's walk was a short one, just over 12 kilometers from Puente de Villarente to the historic city of León. After weeks on the Meseta, it felt good to take a slower morning and enjoy the quiet countryside trail leading toward one of the great cities of the Camino. After miles of quiet countryside, the Camino took a turn towards the urban. It's always a bit of a jolt, that transition from nature to city. And what's the first real landmark? An unexpected Kentucky Fried Chicken, a quirky signpost that you've truly arrived. But just beyond the modern, León's history quickly makes itself known, with ancient stone buildings beginning to line the streets. One of my first stops in León was the historic Church of Santa Ana. Churches like this have quietly welcomed pilgrims for centuries, offering a place to pause, reflect, and appreciate the spiritual history woven into every step of the Camino. Continuing toward the old city, I passed through Puerta Moneda, one of the traditional entrances into Leon's medieval center. Walking through these old gates, you can almost imagine the thousands of pilgrims who have entered this city the same way over the past 1,000 years. As I delved deeper into the city, another of Leon's many churches revealed itself. Not the grand cathedral yet, but a more intimate, weathered stone building. You could feel the centuries in its walls, even with a ladder leaning against its entrance, hinting at ongoing restoration or care. These smaller sanctuaries often hold just as much charm and history as the larger ones, a quiet testament to the enduring faith of the Camino. And then, as if emerging from a dream, there it was, the magnificent León Cathedral. After that wonderfully relaxing lunch with new friends, the next order of business was to find proper rest. I checked into Hotel Suites Baroda, a welcome haven after a long day's walk, and managed to get some much-needed sleep. But the day wasn't quite over. That evening, I finally cooked that pound of spaghetti I'd been carrying since Burgos. It was a simple meal, but after days on the Camino, it felt like a feast, a perfect, satisfying end to a significant day. Full and content, it was then off to bed, ready for a rest day in León. Buen Camino.